Hey guys, in this video I will tell you how to convert content from ChatGPT to DOCX or PDF when you are using it on your mobile. So first and foremost, I have access to something called as Firefox. It's a web browser by Mozilla. So I'll open my Firefox web browser. In here I want to go to something called as an add-on. Once you have the Firefox installed, what you have to do is you have to go on BibCit, BIBCIT.com, and here you have to go to the footer area, and from here you will go to the web extension of BibCit. Here you will see a section called as browser extension. Now here this is called as Markdown capture by BibCit. So in this I'll just scroll down and choose the version for Firefox. I'll just choose Firefox from here, and here it will say Markdown capture BibCit Firefox browser add-on. So I'll just click add to Firefox, and it'll ask me for a couple of permissions to run this add-on on ChatGPT, Gemini, Notebook LM, and I'll just click add here and okay. Now this is added because I'm not getting the option to add it on. So what I'll do is now I'll just go to ChatGPT on the same Firefox browser on my mobile, and here I'll click ChatGPT. Now here I do not want to open it in the app. I want to open it in Mozilla Firefox itself. So it says, would you like to leave Firefox? So no, I do not want to leave Firefox. I want to continue using ChatGPT on Firefox itself. And here now I will ask ChatGPT whatever I want to ask. Like let's say explain the photoelectric effect in 800 words. Let's say whatever I want to add, I'll just add. I'll let ChatGPT do its response. So once I'm done getting the response of ChatGPT, I'll just scroll to the bottom of it, go to the end. I'll see this red copy button here. If you can see, this is a red copy markdown button here that I'm getting in my ChatGPT under the ChatGPT response. So again, this is only possible on Mozilla Firefox, and because of the add-on. So this has come because of the add-on. So I'll just click here, and okay, I'm getting some error, but worry not. What I have to do for the error is just like refresh it a bit. It's all right. So here you get new markdown captured. Okay, so good thing I got that green thing. Now I'll go to the bottom of the response once again, and once again do this red copy button. So it says markdown copied. I got a green notification here, so that's great. Now just I have to go to BibCit. Now in BibCit, the first tile, MassiveMark, I'll click try now here, and once you come to MassiveMark like this, what you have to do is hit this red icon, the same red icon here as well. So just click on this red icon, and a box will open up like this, and you just have to paste the copied content here. So whatever content I got from there in by copying the red button, I'll just paste it here. You can see everything is here, and I'll click insert. Now as soon as I click insert here, it says you have run out of credit. So what I can do is I can purchase the credits if I want to, or if I don't want to purchase the credit, I can also claim my daily free credits. So I'll just hit claim free credits because I just want to keep going right now. And you can see it has inserted my content here. All the content that I had has come. There is the text, there is the images, and let's look at it. All the equations are here too. Now the good thing about this is that I can edit it here in the web view. So suppose I don't want this much portion here, so I can just like delete it from here. Let's say okay, I don't want this much. And what I can also do is I can add some more content to it. Let's say if I go back to my ChatGPT once again and say okay, so let's say there is some other chat that I want to add also to my existing content. So what I'll do is I'll just come back to my ChatGPT like I have, and I'll just hit I'll just let ChatGPT do the generation for me, and from here I'll just wait for the response to finish. The moment it's finished, again I'll scroll to the bottom of the response, and just like I did earlier, I'm going to hit that red copy markdown button. Once again, I'm on my Firefox browser and I'm using the add-on called Markdown Capture BibCit, which is only possible in Firefox when you're on mobile. So let's just wait for this to finish. Once it's finished, I'll just hit the red copy markdown button here. I've got the green flag too. Okay, so now I'm just going to position my cursor wherever I want the new content to be added, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go once more back to that red icon, and I'm going to paste the content that I copied from ChatGPT earlier using the Markdown Capture by BibCit web extension only, and I'm going to hit insert. So you can see now my document has my previous response, and now it also has the second response that I generated from ChatGPT. So I have built a combined cumulative document using both the response. So I can go on building my document using ChatGPT like this. And now when I'm done, if again I want to edit something, I can. And like suppose I want to edit something, I want to add something, I want to manually type something also, like I can do that. So just like a normal kind of a text editor, this works. Once I'm done editing everything and I'm ready to download, I'll just hit the download button given here, and I'll click on download as DOCX, and I'll show it to you guys. So my download as DOCX is done, and I'll open it for you guys. You can see here like all the document that I made is here. All the equations are preserved, nothing is broken, guys. And you can see here all the complex mathematical equations, everything that I wanted is done. I also can download it as a PDF. I'll just show it to you guys. And here's the PDF. You can also make a PDF out of it. See, it's ready to print, ready to share, and all the math is neatly typed, all the equations, all the formatting is as was preserved. And this is also my second response. So I've been able to combine two responses of ChatGPT into one single document, DOCX and PDF, which is now ready to share and now ready to submit and deliver anywhere that I want to.